Welcome to another awesome tutorial for Letterhead concept. My name remains Obisha Santobiloba. Today we shall be designing another beautiful letterhead today. So without further ado, let's dive straight in to today's tutorial. So we shall be designing a letterhead for a business known as Ayomide Global Venture. This is the latest project I did few days ago. So this particular design, logo design that I made for this company, so we are going to be designing a letterhead for them. So firstly, I will double click on this my rectangle tool. Okay, so I'm going to move the outline over here. So I'll create another rectangular shape. I'm going to power clip that into this place. I'm going to come over here and place it like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill it with a color. So let me create a box over here. So I'm going to click on my eyedropper tool and select this color and drop it over here. So automatically that color will be showing on our color palette over here. What this place does is that any recent color you use, it will be shown under this place, so you can easily pick it up. So I'm going to edit this place. So I'm going to click on this color and I'm going to remove the outline. So the reason why I'm using this color is whenever you are designing letterhead or any other design for a client and the client already have a logo, just look at the logo, the color combination that is used on that logo, that is exactly what you should use. Don't use any other color, so that it will be blending, so that there will be blending over there. So next thing I'm going to do now is I'll create another rectangle shape. I'm going to power clip it over here. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. Let's zoom in. So I'm going to reduce the shape, the size over here, bring it a little bit up. So I'm going to pick black and remove the outline. Okay, come over here, it's too big. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, it's looking good like that. So I'm going to drag the logo to this place. I'm going to reduce the size and place it over here. Reduce the size. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bitmap this and convert it to line. Come to your mode, black and white, and make it a line art. Okay, so I'm going to move the background and I'm going to give it an outline thing like this. So I'm going to come over here and drag this to this place. Let's zoom in. So I will highlight this. I'm going to lock this shape so it won't move again. So I highlight this and this. Okay, let's take these two, bring it over here. So I'm going to highlight these two together and I'm going to bring it a little bit downward like this. So next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring a ruler over here. Zoom in. I'm going to bring another ruler over here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this and this. I'll bring it over here and I'm going to remove the fill. Okay, make it like that. So I'm going to bring this over here also. Remember, we are just using this for educational purpose, so I won't want to leak the contact of my clients, so that is why I'm not using their information over here. So I'm going to come over here and drag this down. Okay, so these two, drag it down over here. Okay, remove the fill of this also. So I'm going to bring another ruler over here. Okay, and another ruler over here. So I'm going to drag this over here. So it's looking good. Good this. Remove the outline. So come down over here. Next thing I'm going to do is come over here, right click and unlock it. So I'm going to duplicate this shape. Okay, so I'm going to bring this downward like this. Okay, so I'm going to move up over here. Okay, let's duplicate this, and I'm going to give it a black fill. So I'm going to bring it downward a little bit like that. So we are done with our design. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce the size of this shape. Let's adjust this a little bit up and reduce this, bring it down a little bit. Okay, like that. Is looking good like this. So I'm going to just text it with a text. Okay, place. So I'm going to bring this downward like this. So practically we are done with our letterhead design, and our letterhead is looking good. So see you in the next class. I remain Obishe Global.